Hey there, horse enthusiasts! Welcome back to Business Bloom, the go-to place for all things equine. Today we've got a topic that's not only fascinating but crucial for the well-being of our four-legged friends, equine enrichment. Yep, we're diving into the secrets of keeping our horses not just happy but super healthy. So saddle up, hit that like button, and let's get started. Before we jump into the how-to, let's talk about why equine enrichment matters. Horses, like us, need mental and physical stimulation to lead fulfilling lives. Think about it, they're intelligent, social animals, and a bored horse can quickly become a stressed or even unhealthy horse. So, how do we combat the horse boredom blues? Enrichment. First up, mental stimulation. Horses love problem solving, just like us. Introduce puzzle feeders or hide treats in various places in their stable or pasture. It's like a treasure hunt for them, and it keeps those brains working. Puzzle feeders engage their minds and encourage natural foraging behaviors, promoting a healthier mental state. Now, onto the physical side of things. Horses need exercise, and not just a stroll around the paddock. Set up an obstacle course or try some natural horsemanship exercises. This not only keeps them physically fit but also strengthens the bond between you and your equine companion. It's like a workout and a bonding session rolled into one. Horses are social creatures, and they thrive on companionship. If possible, consider introducing a buddy. It could be another horse or even a goat. They make great stablemates. A happy horse is often a horse with a friend. Look at them go! It's like a little horse party. Now, for all you DIY enthusiasts, here are some quick and easy enrichment ideas you can try at home. Grab an old tire, hang it up, and let your horse play with it. It's a fantastic boredom buster. Tire swings aren't just for kids, you know. And there you have it, folks, equine enrichment in a nutshell. Your horses will thank you for it, trust me. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow horse lovers, and don't forget to subscribe for more horse-centric content. Until next time, happy trails and happy horses.